Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe. From the Mangalorean cuisine, we'll be seeing how to prepare pulikodel at home. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 small size ash gourd, half cup of freshly grated coconut, 6 to 7 dried chili or according to your taste, a gooseberry size tamarind, 1/3 cup coriander seed, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed, 1 teaspoon of raw rice, 1 tablespoon of grated jaggery, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder, half teaspoon of mustard seed, few curry leaf, and finally salt as per taste. Firstly, to begin with, peel the outer skin of the ash gourd with the help of a peeler and further deseed them and chop them into medium sized cubes. For this recipe, we have taken 1 cup of chopped ash gourd. Next, to prepare the ground masala paste, take a thick bottom pan or kadai and into that add the sesame seed and dry roast this in low to medium flame until it begins to pop. Once your sesame seed are dry roasted well, transfer this into a plate and allow it to cool down in room temperature for some time. Next, into the same pan or kadai, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once your pan or kadai is hot enough, into this transfer the urad dal, chana dal, raw rice, coriander seed and saute and roast this in low to medium flame until the ingredients turn aromatic. Finally, into this add the dried chili and the freshly grated coconut and roast this as well in low to medium flame until the raw smell of the freshly grated coconut disappears and the dried chili changes into a darker shade. Once all the ingredients are roasted well, transfer this into a plate and allow this to cool down in room temperature for some time. Next, take another thick bottom kadai and into that transfer 2 cup of water and 1 cup of ash gourd. Once the water starts boiling, lower the flame to low to medium and into this add salt as per taste and allow this to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes until the ash gourd is cooked well and it turns translucent. In the meantime, to prepare the ground masala paste, take a mixer jar and into that transfer the dry roasted sesame seed, other roasted ingredients, tamarind, turmeric powder, asafoetida powder along with 1/4 cup of water and grind this into a smooth consistency paste. Now transfer the ground masala paste into the cooked ash gourd and add 1 tablespoon of grated jaggery into this. Mix everything well and allow this to cook in high flame until the gravy starts boiling. At this stage, you can add any extra salt if required. Once the gravy starts boiling, lower the flame to low to medium and cook this for another 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, take a tadka pan and into that add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, mustard seed, few curry leaf and prepare the tempering. Now add the prepared tempering into the pulikodel and your delicious gravy is ready. This can be served along with some hot rice. So do try this recipe and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.